Now let me guide you to a more specific keyword intelligence 3-step system. I'm going to take this really slowly. It starts with identifying your seed keyword or an URL in Keyword Planner. So I'm going to be using Keyword Planner as a tool. In a short while, I'll probably go there and introduce you to the tool itself. This is how you navigate to Keyword Planner. You will have to be a Google Ads user or at least have a Google Ads account in order to access Keyword Planner, because Keyword Planner, as you can tell, is actually a Google Ads tool. So without a Google Ads account, you will not have access to the tool, unfortunately. It's free to sign up, so I recommend you do that anyway. We navigate to Tools, Planning, and we select Keyword Planner. Now, once we get to Keyword Planner, we pretty much have two options to take, and the left option is start with keywords, the right being start with a website. So it starts with entering a seed keyword, and that's a beautiful part about keyword intelligence. You don't need to have a bunch of keywords ready to rock and roll. You just start with one, and from one you discover more, and Keyword Planner does a fairly good job helping you accomplish this. Their latest version also attempts to segment between branded and non-branded searches and add other attributes that you may be looking for as well. That's on the right hand side, which is clearly labeled beta. I'm not sure whether you know this, but you can also leverage Keyword Planner by selecting the start with a website option on the right. And to do this, you just need to key in a URL and decide whether you want to use the entire site or only the page. So the beautiful part about Keyword Planner is that you could go full bang on and let the tool do its keyword intelligence job. You're feeding Keyword Planner with just one URL. The URL is likely to come from a Google search. Baseline is you need to know what is your primary keyword you're targeting, and I will show you the approach to take for both, whether you start with keywords or you start with a website. Now, if you start with a website, they will give you keyword suggestions and relative volume. And of course, you can choose to pursue these keywords or not. That's your prerogative. A good way to reverse engineer your competition, of course.